From a sizzling Dutch oven to a bowl full of soul, this chili is bold, cozy, and pure comfort.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First up, we'll chop and dice half of a large onion.
We're also going to chop up 4 garlic cloves.
One quick snap and they're ready to go. You'll also need 1 chopped red bell pepper. Moving on to the stove, for my meat, we'll be browning 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of mild ground Italian sausage. I'm using a meat chopper to break it up. You can find links to my kitchen tools in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. You'll probably see some fat accumulate. Make sure to drain it. Once browned and drained, transfer meat to a plate temporarily. Now to your Dutch oven or pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add the diced onions and saute until they're caramelized. Those roasted sweetness notes are where the magic happens. After 3 minutes, we'll add our bell peppers and saute for 1 minute. Then we'll add our minced garlic and saute for 30 seconds only so you don't burn your garlic. Now add your meat back in and mix to mingle those flavors. For seasoning, I'm using 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon paprika, 3 tablespoons of this McCormick chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. We also want to add salt and pepper to taste. Give it a quick mix so everything's coated. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then 2 standard size cans of petite diced tomatoes. You can start with 3 cups of beef broth, mix and see how it looks. I like it heartier, so I'll add 1 more cup for a total of 4 cups. I'll probably hit it with a cornstarch slurry later for some thickness. We'll also be adding 1 standard can of red kidney beans and 1 can of pinto beans. Make sure to drain and rinse them first. I like beans in my chili for substance and because it just tastes so much better to me. If you don't, you can skip them. Mix everything to combine, then let it come to a simmer. Now cover and cook on low heat for 1.5 hours. Halfway through cooking, come back and uncover. Check the broth. For some thicker chili, mix 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with a little water to make a slurry. Then add to your pot. Stir well and continue cooking uncovered for the remaining time. After 1.5 hours of fully cooking, our chili is done. Let's take a look. Rich, thick, and deeply inviting. Now let's plate and go add our toppings. You can eat it without the toppings, but the toppings make it so much fun and delicious. I like adding some shredded cheese. Now let's squeeze in some sour cream, add some green onions, and for a little crunch, I like to add some Fritos. Now before digging in, let me show you a close-up. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite toppings? With cool weather underway, this is the perfect time to enjoy it. So good and always hits the spot.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.